প্রণয়
প্রবাল
সরকার,
বলল।
দোরা বিনীত,
Sir, rule 140 present, sir.
অঙ্কিত।
Yes, sir.
ওকে।
Sir, roll
শিবম
139
মন্ডল,
present, sir.
স্বস্তিক,
Yes, sir.
ওকে ওকে 139।
Thank you, sir.
স্বস্তিক,
Present, sir.
ওকে। শ্রেয়সী দে, আমন কুমার সিং, শান্তনু, শ্রেয়স ত্রিপাঠী,
Present, sir.
সুচন্দ্রিমা,
Present, sir.
ঐশিক,
Present, sir.
দেব, দেবমাল্য, রিতম সাউ,
Present, sir.
রণজিৎ দাস,
Yes,
রিতম
sir.
সাউ প্রেজেন্ট, ওকে। রণজিৎ দাস প্রেজেন্ট। কৃষ্ণ, বিশাল মন্ডল,
Christopher present, sir.
ওকে। বিশাল,
Sir, Shreyashide present, sir.
so this is your second class, Shreyashide De.
Yes, sir. Sir, due to network issues, I am not able to attend many classes.
কলেজে আছে।
ওকে। বিশাল মন্ডল, 157, 159, দীপ হালদার,
Present, sir. Deep Halder. Hello, sir.
yes.
Deep Halder, 159.
সুমন, yes, দীপ হালদার।
Sir, Sumana Chetia
Sumon.
present, sir. 160. Sir, Sumana Chetia
সৌভিক
present, sir.
প্রামাণিক, yes. সৌভিক, রামিজ আহমেদ,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
সাগ্নিক দে,
Present, sir.
সুমিত সাহা,
Yes, sir.
সত্যজিৎ, কমল, okay. Now in our last class we discussed how to make isometric drawing using AutoCAD. Right? So can you make isometric drawing here using AutoCAD?
Yes, sir.
Have you tried? Have you tried to make the isometric drawings?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In our last class, probably we did not show how to give the dimensions in isometric drawing. So today I will show how to provide the dimension in the isometric drawing. Probably my screen is visible to you. So I am
Sir, hello,
making
sir.
one. Yes.
Sir, kind of
Yes.
একদম ইয়ে করো স্যার, অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা আসলে স্যার লাইট ছিল না
Yes.
স্যার। 157
Who is talking?
স্যার বিশাল
Yes,
মন্ডল।
Vishal.
স্যার আসলে আমার কারেন্ট ছিল না, সো স্যার প্রেজেন্ট দিতে পারিনি।
Okay.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
Okay. Arabda Bhattacharjee. Probably this student is not from. Okay. Okay. So I'm starting to make one block. Here we'll try to provide the dimensions. First thing, to provide the dimension here, we have to use align dimension. Okay. So I'm taking this one. First thing, I should change the layer. So I should use a dimension layer. Say for example, I'm trying to provide the dimension from this point to this point of this line. Then dimension aligned from this one to this one. Okay. Now the thing is, if you see the drawings or isometric drawings here, 1 minute. You see this drawing, the 70 dimension. Basically, this 70 dimension is aligned with this line. The dimension shown here is not correct if I compare the drawing with this one. So always in our isometric drawing, we try to align the dimensions with the lines. Now, how to align this dimension? So this dimension or this dimension extension of the dimension line should be aligned with this line. Understand? If I provide another dimension, say for example from here to here, you see in the drawing, this dimension is aligned with this one. Do you understand this thing or not? So when I am trying to provide the dimension using align mode, but it is not aligning with the line, then what we have to do? We have to do something else to make it to align the dimension line with this line. So to do that thing, we have to use the oblique option. So if I consider this oblique option, you see, select objects. Say for example, I want to align this dimension line with this one. Understand? So here I will select this dimension. If the selection is correct, I will press enter. Now here you see enter obliquing angle. Now what should be the angle? So here we have to measure the angle from the east, that means from this line, and the line is making an angle with this horizontal line. If I draw one line here, this one, so with that line, that blue line is making 30-degree angle. As I mentioned earlier, in isometric drawing, we have to make the lines with 30-degree angle. So here also we'll try to provide that obliquing angle here. Say for example, I am putting 30-degree here. You see now, this dimension line is aligned with this one. Is it clear to you? Do you understand this? What should be the obliquing angle? How to measure the obliquing angle here? Yes or no? Say for example, I want to align this 70 millimeter dimension with this line. Then what should be the obliquing angle then? If I draw one line here, this line should align with this line. That means always by default in AutoCAD, angle is measured from the east. So in this direction, I have to measure the angle. So total angle will be 90, another 90, 180, another 90, 270 degree. Let us take that value, oblique Yes, sorry. No, minus not 30, minus 90. Yes, minus 90. It's not minus 30 because this dimension will be aligned with these lines. Understand? This line is basically vertical line. So angle should be either 90 degree or minus 90 degree or 270 degree like this. Understand? So if you use minus 90, that will also work. So I am selecting this one. One is selected. Put the value here. I am putting say minus 90. As you mentioned, yes. See this one. So for example, here I want to put the dimension. Okay. Then what should be the value? Dimension oblique. Now tell me, what should be the value here? Because this dimension should be aligned with this line. Do you understand? Then again, you have to measure the angle from the east in anti-clockwise direction up to this point or up to this line. The total length, the total line angle should be 270 degree. Here again, you have to put 270. Is it clear? Say for example, I want to put the dimension of this from here to here. Then make the oblique of this angle. What should be the angle now? The angle made by this line. What is the angle made by this line? 90 plus here how much? 60 or 180 minus 30? 150. Okay. So if I put 150, then it should align with this. Is it clear to you how to change the dimension here in AutoCAD for isometric drawing? Can you do that thing? Is there any difficulty to understand? Anyone, please try to do this thing and clear your confusions. Please practice and let me know. Any question, please? Sriyash, have you done it?
Sir, actually when I'm selecting dimension is
Yes.
not getting selected.
No, then you share your screen. Then I can help you. Understand? You try to share your screen.
Sir, like I've drawn this. Isoplane left.
Okay. Okay. Go for dimension.
Yes, sir. I have
No,
selected.
first
sir.
you go for dimension. Put one dimension. Yes. Aligned. No. First you take aligned. Okay. Aligned.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Put one
And
dimension. Without any dimension, you cannot edit that thing, right? Understand? So there should be one dimension to make the edit of that thing.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now you can edit it.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Shovik Pramanik.
That what angle should be given, Shreyas, please?
Are you doing it? Yes, probably you may share your
Yeah,
screen, then I can help you.
Okay.
Share your screen, I will help you.
If the figure is like it is a distorted figure actually. So
No,
it is not
first
that
you
cube.
take ortho option on.
Yeah, but
Ortho option on.
yeah, I have taken that in ortho option on in this, but I am just asking it for that for if the ortho mode is not on, that this line is not perpendicular, then also I can give the
Okay,
dimension.
anyway, you try to provide the dimension, then yes,
Yeah,
later
yeah.
on also you can do that thing. Okay, you try to put the dimension.
Yeah, I have done that and this also.
Okay, now you have put one dimension. The thing is you have to align that dimension with your lines.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you take the side dimension. Okay, you take any one. Yes, probably that one. Yes. Now you go for the dimension editor, oblique option. Go to dimension and take oblique.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, no.
Okay, okay.
Escape it and yes.
Yeah. Select object. So
Select object. Yes. Select the dimension. Yes. Select that line. Okay. Enter. Now you put the obliquing angle. What with the angle? So you have to align the dimension with the lines. Which lines? There are two lines.
This line.
Making yes. Okay. What is the angle of that? That is 180 minus 30.
Yeah,
180 minus 30. Yes, 150.
Yes,
you put 150. You put 150 angle.
Yeah.
Understand? So this way you have to find the angle and easily you can do that thing. There are other options also you may explore without considering this angle also. There are
30.
but you just try to explore that.
এটাকে
that
স্যার
one?
I want to align that with that face, that surface, the upper surface.
Yes.
Then if I
yes, no problem.
write 30,
Okay, no problem.
so what should be the angle? 30?
It is not 30. It is basically 150. It is 150. You have to consider the final position of the dimension. Enter.
150. Yeah.
See, always here in 150. Always in AutoCAD, angle is measured from the east in anti or counterclockwise direction. Okay, so you have to remember that thing. How we are making measuring the angle in AutoCAD.
Okay,
if you
sir.
change that setting, then angle value will also change. Understand?
Okay, sir. Yes, clear.
Okay. So anyone else? দীপ হালদার?
হ্যাঁ স্যার করছি কিন্তু হচ্ছে না।
আরে সেটার জন্যই তো জিজ্ঞেস করছি। If you cannot do it, please let me know so that I can help you. You should do it, right? You should learn. So please
Sure,
share
sir.
your screen. At
Okay,
that
sir.
time I can help you.
দেখা যাচ্ছে স্যার?
Yes. Oblique. Select the this one. Enter.
আচ্ছা এবার
not 150. That should be 270 degree. Basically, this 50 dimension will be aligned with the vertical lines.
Okay.
No, take oblique. Take oblique option. Okay. Select object, enter. No, first you have to enter. Escape it, yes. Dimension. Follow the command line, okay? Select object, enter. Now you put 270 degree. 270. Right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Shumit Shah, Chandrima. Okay. Shumit Shah,
Yes, sir.
are you doing? Is there any
Yes, sir.
problem? Krishnavar, is there any problem? Suchandrima, is there any problem? Please let me know. Kamal Burai, are you with your laptop or not? Ritam Shah?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So there is no problem, I think.
No, sir.
If you have any problem, please let me know. Now you see the figures. Say for example for this one. So in this assignment you have to make 3 drawings in one single A4 template. I have started to present it. It is not presenting. But it's showing here it is presenting. I don't know what is happening here. Okay, so it is taking too much time. Anyway, now you can see for the first assignment, you see you have to make some say circles. So as you know, probably in our last class, you saw how to make the circles in isometric drawing. So you have to take ellipse command. From ellipse command, you have to take isocircle command. Is it clear? Can you make the circles in isometric drawing? So you have to make circles, and after making this figure, you have to put dimensions. So this 2 through this one is not the part of this drawing. Okay. So I have taken from one book, but anyhow, I could not crop this part. So through holes up to this one through holes, it is a part of this drawing. This lower part is not the part of this drawing. Okay. So one is not, it is not to be written here. Only thing you have to make the drawing and you have to put the dimension. If you face any difficulty to get the dimension from this, you may assume or you may proportionally assume the dimension of that part or of that drawing. Understand? So I think everything is okay with this drawing. Easily you can do this thing. For the second drawing, you see here also there are different parts of this. Here you will find some circles. There is one step. Okay. So from this isometric drawing, try to do this thing. It's another one, third one. Here probably it is 518. So if you do not get the value from this, appropriately or proportionally, you may assume the value. Okay. Is there any problem? So first you try to visualize the object, try to make that thing. After that, after finishing the drawing, try to put the dimension, and then only you align the dimension with the lines. So is there any problem to make these 3 drawings? So what you have to do? You have to take one A4 sheet, A4 template. So in A4 template, you have to take 3 viewports, and using 3 viewports, you have to feed these 3 drawings. 1, 2, 3. Understand? There should be 3 viewports. in your A4 sheet, and you have to feed these 3 drawings in that A4 sheet. So all the drawings should be made in model space, not in paper space. Is it clear to you all?
স্যার স্যার একটা ভিউ বোর্ডের মধ্যে যদি তিনটে
Yes.
নেওয়া হয় তাহলে তো মানে খুব ছোট ছোট দেখাবে না?
না না কিছু ছোট দেখাবে না, ছোট ড্রয়িংটাই ছোট ছোট। ইউ টেক 1:1 scale, okay, or if you want, or if it
So
is
there should be
required, you
one
can
view,
take
one
a lower
viewport
scale
only.
also. No, 3 viewports. There are 3 drawings, so there should be 3 viewports to show these drawings. In one model space, you will make 3 drawings, right? But in your A4 template, there should be 3 viewports to show 3 different drawings. Is it clear?
আরেকবার বলুন স্যার।
Say for example here, so there should be 3 viewports. One viewport here, another viewport here, say another viewport here. Is it clear? In these 3 different viewports, there should be 3 different drawings. Though the space is same, it's model space. Inside this viewport, all the spaces are model space. Is it clear to you? So here we will show, say, viewport problem number 1, 2, problem number 2, problem number 3, like this. Have to do that part is clear to you? If you have any confusion, please let me know. Any problem? Any question? Okay. So I have already assigned these problems in the Google Classroom. Please check, and as early as possible, please submit the assignments. Okay, give me 1 minute. Shomodip Demodok, are you here? No. Ankit Prasad? No. Probal Sen, probably present, okay?
Yes, sir.
Shostik is
Yes,
not
sir.
present.
Yes, sir. Present.
Shostik present? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Have you made the drawings?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, good, very good. Sreyoshide, absent. Shreyos Tripathi, present. Suchandrima, probably present, yes. Oishik Bishwas, absent.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Present.
Suchandrima present. Oishik Bishwas, absent. Ritom Shau, Ritom,
Yes, sir.
okay. Ranojit, left. Krishna,
Present, sir.
yes, present. Vishal, yes, Krishna. Vishal, left. Deepaldar, present.
Yes, sir.
Shumon, yes, Shumon, left. Shovik, present. Ramiz Ahmed, left. Shagnik, left. Sumit Shah, left.
Yes, sir.
Present. Sumitra, Shochit Poddar, absent. Kamal, present, I think. Kamal Burai, left. Anyway, now tell me your problems, questions.
Sir, in the first drawing,
Yes, Riyash.
sir, in the first drawing, can
Yes.
you show it again, sir?
Yes, 1 minute. Is it showing now?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
in this, sir,
Are you talking about this one? This one? Yes.
yes, sir, yes, sir. Sir, can
Yes.
I share my screen, sir? Actually, I've tried to make this,
Yes,
sir,
yes. Okay. Share your screen.
but sir, how can I matlab, touch this circle with this line?
No. You see in your you're talking about the middle circle,
In the isoplane left, sir.
middle
sir.
one.
Yes, this, sir.
Yes, isoplane left.
Yes, sir.
For 50 millimeter dia circle.
Yes, sir.
For
Sir,
50
like-
millimeter dia circle or 26 millimeter dia circle.
Sir, 51, sir, 51.
50. Okay. Now tell me.
Yes, sir,
Now tell me what is your problem?
like I want to have this center, sir. So then if I
So-
want to make this, so then it's not touching, sir.
One minute. No, you do not know the length of the lines, I think.
Yes,
The
sir.
total, can you find the position of the circle?
Sir, how I can find
You see from your end midpoint or the center line, when you have one circle, your vertical line, from there the end of the circle is 50 millimeter or 55 millimeter, I think. 55 millimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
And also you know the distance between two parallel lines, 30 millimeter. So what you can do, you can draw the full circle, full isocircle. You can also draw the lines with 30 millimeter gap where it will intersect. From that you can trim that straight line, right? So you have to trim that straight line.
So, sir, I have to draw like
Is it clear?
SSM, which means, sir, I have to draw like two lines.
First you find your starting point.
Yes, sir, like this is my starting point,
Okay.
and this is my ending point. Okay, sir.
Okay. So from that point, from the mid, if we try to locate the center of this or end of the circle, you will find 55 millimeter. Understand?
Yes, sir.
You have to take isocircle. Yes.
Sir, but the scale is something like big.
No. Basically, you first you start from the. I am sharing like this. Okay. Just please wait. Okay. You start from this. My screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you may start from this point, right? From
Yes,
this
sir.
point, you may start to make this line with arbitrary length, this line with arbitrary length, but the gap is 30 millimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
So there should be two lines. Okay. Now, this center line, extreme point should be this quadrant, this
Hmm.
one.
Yes, sir.
So from this point, from the midpoint of this, you may find 55 millimeter.
Okay.
Possible?
Yes,
From
sir.
here, you can measure 25 millimeter, this
Yes,
center
sir.
point. There, you can draw the full isocircle of this,
Yes, sir.
right?
Ah.
Then definitely that isocircle will intersect this line, also this line.
Okay, sir.
Then you trim that extended part.
Okay, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir. Okay,
Is
sir.
it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now let me know any other question. Any other question from your side? Now my point. You fix one date when you will be able to sit for the examination. And another thing, Shobhik, can you please confirm one thing? Those students do not have the reliable internet connectivity, or say do not have the laptops or desktops, whether they are in a position to come in the university for the examination? আমি বুঝলাম তোমাকে, যে ছেলেগুলোর মনে করো ল্যাপটপ বা ডেস্কটপ নেই, বা যাদের হচ্ছে ইন্টারনেট প্রবলেম রয়েছে, whether they are able to come in the university to give the test here, একটু কনফার্ম করো আমাকে। হ্যাঁ, okay, basically I have to evaluate the class, I have to give the numbers. So how can I give the numbers without evaluating them? You just confirm, and then we'll decide how to tackle those issues. Anyway, for the regular class, the test will be in online mode with one time duration, say hour time duration. In that time period only, you have to do the work and you have to submit it. Also, in the during the examination, I can check their screen what they are doing there. Understand? So that way we have to evaluate the class. And from your attendance, I think what I feel, you are not very much interested to learn the programming language anymore. I think only you see right now 11 not 10 students are there.
No, actually, today
Only see only 10 students are there. Probal logged in from 2 devices, I think. So 10 students will be there.
স্যার আজকে
see,
আসলে
this
অনেকে
is the
কলেজে
আজকে
scenario.
গিয়েছে,
অনেক
ওই জন্য
কলেজে
হয়তো
গেছে ওই ইয়েটার জন্য,
কম
আইডি কার্ড।
কলেজে গেলেও তো জয়েন করা যায় নাকি?
হ্যাঁ, জয়েন করে বেরিয়ে গেছে।
Sir, yes, I am back. Anyway, so if you want to learn it, then please confirm the dates from when you will learn. Definitely, I will take
What
the
is the
class.
date of examination?
You fix the date, but once you fix the date, you cannot change that thing. তুমি একটা ডেট ফিক্স করে বললে যে অমুক তারিখে আমরা দেবো টেস্টটা, তারপরে একদিন আগে না স্যার প্রিপারেশন হয়নি, আমি চেঞ্জ করে দেবো, দ্যাট ইজ নট পসিবল। ইউ ফিক্স ইউর ডেট, ইউ জাস্ট কনসাল্ট উইথ ইউর মানে ক্লাসমেটস, দেন কনফার্ম মি, স্যার অন দ্যাট ডে we want to give the test. Okay, then I will take it. You may take 1 week gap, say today is Monday, next Monday you can give the test also. There is no problem. And also, as I said, Auto is not part of this AutoCAD syllabus or engineering drawing 2C syllabus. So separately we can tackle that issue. Understand? So we'll do the class next Monday. আমাকে জানিয়ে দিও, এখন না বললেও চলবে। ওকে, নেক্সট মান্থে যে ক্লাস করো আমাকে জানিয়ে দিও যে স্যার আমরা করব ক্লাস, আমরা অটোলিস্ট শিখবো বা কিছু, আমি সেদিন ক্লাস নিয়ে নেবো, মানডেতেই ক্লাস নিয়ে নেবো, দ্যাট ইজ নো প্রবলেম। ওকে, so thank you very much. If you do not have any other questions or queries, we may end our class too. যদি কিছু বলার থাকে বলতে পারো, তোমাদের কিছু সাজেশন থাকে বলতে পারো। ইয়েস শ্রেয়স।
Sir, actually, sir, can you show, sir, fillet, how to use fillet command, sir, once again, sir?
Fillet command, fillet.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, please wait. Say for example, I have this type of line, right? And I want to provide the fillet here, fillet radius here. So what I will do, I will take the fillet command. First thing we have to see, what is the radius value given in that command, or by default, what is the value? Here you see current settings, mode, no trim, and radius 0. So with this setting, we cannot provide any fillet radius there because the radius of the fillet here by default is 0. So you cannot make that thing. So first thing you have to check, and accordingly, as depending on the drawing, you have to change the value. So first thing I want to change the radius value. So here suppose I am taking 10 millimeter radius. Also you may change the trim option. To change the trim option, I have to take T. Here the by default option is no trim, so I want trim. Again I now select first object, this one and this one. You see, this is the fillet. So you please check the setting, what is the radius value taken as a default, then only you go for this. You select the components, 2 components, easily you will get it. Got my point? Probably you did not set the radius value, and that is why you're not getting the fillet there.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Understand, Sriyash?
Yes.
Okay, change that thing. So
Okay.
always you follow the command line. I could not show all the commands available in AutoCAD, but the logic, how to explore those, that point I discussed. Yes, you have to, you take any new command, but the thing is you have to follow the command line. Always try to read the command line and try to understand the meaning of that. Then easily you can do that thing. All the things are there in their interactive mode. You can do that. Understand?
And one thing, sir, in the isometric mode, we can't use the command offset. Like,
You try it.
yeah, it is not working, sir. It is going to another direction. What I am
Okay.
wanting, that's not coming.
Another direction. Yes, understood. Understood. So it is not possible then. Okay.
তাহলে ওই দুটো
So,
লাইন 30 ডিস্টেন্সে ও তো নিতে গেলে
হ্যাঁ।
অনেক
কি করে করবে?
এক্সট্রা লাইন এঁকে
কি?
আনতে
না
হবে,
না
দিয়ে ওগুলোকে
কিচ্ছু
delete
করতে হবে না রে বাবা। দাঁড়াও দাঁড়াও, এই তো আমার স্ক্রিনটা কি শেয়ার করা আছে না নেই? দাঁড়াও, শেয়ার করা আছে তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ, করা আছে স্যার।
কেন, কি সমস্যা বলো? 1 minute. What is the problem? You say isometric. What I will do? I'll start from here. I'll go 30 millimeter. Understand? I'll change the what is the value? Any value. Say 50
anything.
millimeter. Okay. From here also I'll go for 50 millimeter. Then what is the problem? How much time it takes? Offset to না করো তুমি করতে পারো, because you can take the end of this line. Also you can select the midpoint. Okay. You can go for 55 millimeter. Understand? You may change the layer. Okay. You may go for the construction one or anything else. Okay. So what is the problem? So easily you can do it. If the offset is not working, then you have to find a different way to make it.
Okay, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
You just practice. You will get better procedures or better methods to make the object or make the drawing. You will get different shortcuts also to make the drawing. Okay. You just practice, you will find. You may explore in more detail. বলো আর বলো প্রবলেম।
স্যার পরীক্ষার দিন কি এরকম অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট যেরকম দিয়েছিলেন এরকম কিছু করতে দেবেন?
এই দেব, কিন্তু ওইখানেই করতে হবে। যা টাইম ডিউরেশন থাকবে, যে যতটা পাবে ততটাই আপলোড করবে। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? সে ফর
আমাদের তো অনেকটা সময় লেগে যায়।
গো ফর 30 মিনিটস টেস্ট। তাহলে এমন একটা ড্রয়িং, না 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 দেখো, তোমার তো সেই প্র্যাকটিসটা করতে হবে তোমাকে। তোমার যা সময় লাগে অন্যের হয়তো দেখা যাবে তার থেকেও বেশি সময় লাগে, সেটা তো কিছু বলার নেই। কিন্তু we should select one problem in such a way that you should complete that thing within the stipulated time. এমনই ড্রয়িং দেবো যাতে যেটা তুমি শেষ করতে পারা উচিত সেরকম ড্রয়িংই দেওয়া থাকবে, বাট ইট শুড বি কমপ্লিট ইন দ্যাট এক্সামিনেশন অনলি। বুঝতে পেরেছো? তার মধ্যেই আমরা গুগল ফর্মে হোক বা গুগল ক্লাসরুমেই হোক, যেমন কোনো ফর্মেই হোক, will take the input from your side. Probably this time for the examination we'll make one Google form so that I can control যে কতক্ষণ অবধি আমি allow করব to submit the assignments. Understand? Maybe. So in the Google form you have to submit your assignments. বুঝতে পেরেছো? তো আমাকে তো ইভালুয়েট করতে হবে, ক্লাসে তো আমি নেই। So in the online mode only I have to evaluate you. Yes, Reyash?
During the examination, we should be in a Google Meet also.
Yes, you should be present in the Google Meet. I shall share the assignment here. I shall share the link where you have to submit the assignments. All the things will be shared in the Google Classroom, in Google Meet only. And all the things will be recorded. Probably your video, I think right now it will be very difficult for some persons to make the video on or like this, but you should be present in the Google Meet, whether video on or video off. Probably we'll go for video off. Video on should be the better option, but I do not know whether you all have the proper connection. So that is why probably I will go for the video off option.
And sir, will there be any extra time for uploading?
See, during the examination period, total composite time will be given to you. one composite time, say for example 40 minutes. So you may think about like this,
স্যার একটু
I will
টাইম দিন,
complete my
আগের মিনিট
drawing
ওটা
within
করতে গেলে
half
2
an
ঘন্টা
hour,
বেশি সময় লেগে গেছে।
within 10 minutes I will submit. বলো বলো দীপ।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, বলেছিলাম আগের বার অনেকটা, মানে
Now
যেটা বলেছিলেন
you
10
may,
মিনিট
হ্যাঁ
মিনিটে পূর্ণ করছে।
তোমার কথা মাঝে মাঝে আসছে, মাঝে মাঝে আসছে না। It may be like
নেটে
this.
স্যার
Some person may think, yes, I will go for 35 minutes to make the drawing, within 5 minutes I can upload it. Okay, so that is up to you. I shall provide the composite time to make your drawing and upload the same in the Google Classroom. Anyway,
ওকে স্যার।
you just fix the date. Later on we may discuss the difficulties you may face during the examination. I'll be available during the examination, so if you face any problem during the examination, you may inform me. Okay, I will be present, so there is no problem. Suppose Shreyash could not submit the assignment within say 40 minutes, he takes say 1 minute more, so Shreyash can inform me, sir, I am uploading it, it is taking say 1 minute time. At that time also he can share his screen, so that I can check whether he is telling the truth. Okay, so that is not the problem. Understand? Any problem from anyone? But you practice. In the meantime also, if you face any problem, please let me know. We have the WhatsApp group, probably you have my personal number also. So at any point of time, if you face any problem, you may inform me, you may text me. When I will be available, at that time I will reply. Okay, is it clear to all? Okay, so you please inform whether you will be doing the class next Monday. Shobik, তুমি এই কাজটা করো। হ্যাঁ, you please inform me whether you will do the class on next Monday. Accordingly, I have to plan. Clear? Okay, তাহলে আজকের ক্লাস এখানে শেষ করছি। হ্যাঁ বলো। It is better to take the class test on Monday also. So because we have the stipulated time schedule, we can do that thing. I think it will be better. On other days, I have to also check my routine whether I am available that. Understand? Monday করলে there is no problem. You should be free. I also should be free. Okay. Okay. So thank you very much. So if you
Thank you,
have
sir.
any question, please let me know. Otherwise, you may disconnect. Okay.
স্যার ওই ফটো ওয়ানটায় স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করতে পারবো বেরিয়ে
আরেকবার বলো। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, ফিগার 1 বলো।
ফিগার ওয়ানটায় ওই দুটো সার্কেল কানেক্ট করা আছে, ওটা কি ট্যানজেন্সিয়ালি কানেক্ট
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ,
করবো, যে দুটো দুটো সার্কেল
একদম
কি
একদম
ট্যানজেন্সিয়ালি?
একদম,
ওকে স্যার।
হ্যাঁ একদম তাই করবে।
ওকে স্যার।
দেখো কতটা নিয়ে আসতে পারো, যদি প্রবলেম হয় আমাকে বলো।
ওকে স্যার।
ওকে ওকে। 55 থাকবে তো। তোমার দেখো না, তোমার যেখান থেকে ইয়েস, যেখান থেকে তোমার সার্কেলটা শুরু হয়েছে আর দুটো লাইন রয়েছে, তো লাইনের ওখানে তো কিছু দেয় 55 ডিস্টেন্সে তোমার এন্ড পয়েন্ট অফ দ্য সার্কেল রয়েছে। তুমি যদি মিড পয়েন্টটাকে ধরো, দাঁড়াও 1 মিনিট, এই মিড পয়েন্ট থেকে 55 ডিস্টেন্সে এন্ড অফ দ্য সার্কেল রয়েছে এখানে, তাহলে তোমার সার্কেলটা এরকম করে কোথাও একটা রয়েছে, যাতে করে ইউ ক্যান হ্যাভ ওয়ান লাইন ফ্রম দিস পয়েন্ট আপ টু দিস পয়েন্ট or up to the circle, from here up to the circle. Understand? তাহলে তোমাকে you have to find the center point here. So if you know this thing, from this point you may find the center point. Understand? Center point at 25 millimeter distance from this point, right? So taking 25 millimeter distance from here, you can make the circle. তাহলে হয়ে গেল। Then you can trim these lines from that circle. পেয়ে যাবে। দেখো একটু চেষ্টা করলে পারবে, দেখি যখন করতে যাবে তুমি, when you try to make the drawing, easily you may find the ways how to make this thing. দেখো যা দেয়া আছে তুমি সেটাই ধরে করো, তারপরে যা আসবে সেটাই তুমি করে দেবে। হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে, সেটা ভেবে লাভ নেই। দেখো এগুলো তো একটা ড্রয়িং বই থেকে নেওয়া হয়, সেখানে ওরা যাই করেছে না কেন, তোমাকে যা ডাইমেনশন ভ্যালু দেয়া আছে, ইউ শুড ইউজ দোজ ডাইমেনশনস। তারপরে যেমন ফিগার আসবে আসবে, দ্যাট ইজ নো প্রবলেম। ওকে, ইজ there any other question? Okay, may I disconnect now?
Yes,
Okay,
okay, sir.
I am disconnecting. Okay.
Thank you, sir.